And welcome to Salestac. And today I'll show you how to create your first campaign and create a message inside the Salestac dashboard. So this is the default screen that loads when you install Salestac through the Shopify App Store, and you basically get to see the WYSIWYG editor where pre-filled message is kept. And these are the shortcodes. I'll show you how to use them. And yeah, let's get into it. So this is the pre-filled message. You see the character count here, and you see the SMS count. So basically, what does it mean is when the character count exceeds 160 characters, the SMS count goes to 2. That basically means that for every SMS that is sent, you are charged twice. So see how it works. Um, so glad to have you here. Have worked uh, you see the magic. The character count goes 160 plus, that is 193, and the SMS count goes up to 2. So yeah, you can send longer messages. You'll just be charged for double of it. So I'm not sure if you should do that. That's your call. There are pre-filled shortcodes that basically means to personalize the messages. You should select these shortcodes, and it will fetch the personalization tokens directly from your database without any issues. Obviously, you keep the first name first and then the last name. Yeah, so that's about it. You add the subscribe link, and then you move on to the audience that you want to send the campaign to. So we talked to a couple of, not a couple of, a lot of plus stores and a few growing stores as well. And we understood what are the segments of customers that make a lot of sense for them, and to which the uh, campaigns need to be sent directly. So the first one is obviously the mass campaign to all the subscribed customers. That's basically the entire database of customers that you have with mobile numbers and have opted for marketing messages from you. That is the all subscribed customer. The second is customers with tag. So you might be tagging certain customers with certain tags at the backend of your Shopify dashboard. So you can select customers with tag, and then you get the drop down of all the tags that you have pre-selected in your Shopify dashboard, and you can select from here. So for example, if I select all my Indian customers under the tag India, and if I select all my South Asian customers under the so maybe Singaporean customers under the tag Singapore, or male customers under the tag male, all of this will be pre-filled here, and you can select one tag and send the message to those people. Customer who have purchased at least once is at least, yeah, exactly. So people who have purchased at least once from your store in their entire lifetime with you. The next one is customer who have never purchased. So these guys are basically who came to your store, left their number, that is basically created their profile, but have never purchased. The next one is customers who have purchased in the last X days. So this X can be determined. So people who have purchased in the last 15 days, you want to remind them with something, you want to give them a particular offer, whatever you want. Uh, some who have who haven't purchased in the last X days. So the criteria for this one is they have not purchased in the last X days, so X being 7 or anything that you want. But the hidden criteria is they must have had purchased from you once in their entire lifetime, but have not purchased in the last X days, and that X can be defined by you. Customers who have last purchased exactly on the Xth day, when that, what that means is basically when you put it here. So if you put a 6, now what is the use of this 6? So imagine if you're running a sale on the 1st of January, and you want to exactly know who are the guys that bought from you from the Christmas campaign. So this is it. Whoever bought from you 6 days ago needs to have this discount code, or needs to have the knowledge of the sale, or needs to have a thank you token from you. And that thank you token can be this SMS. And all of these guys who purchased exactly 6 days ago from you will receive the SMS. The next part is pretty simple, is when to send. So you can start sending the SMS now, depending upon your time zone. It get triggered immediately. And the other part is scheduling that. And scheduling that, you basically, based on your store destination, your store location, this gets pre-filled. And you can select based on your store location the date and time, and you can schedule your campaigns for future. You can test out the entire thing. You put down your number here, and You check this and your number gets a test SMS, and you see everything is working fine, the links and the message, and you confirm and send. Yeah, that's about it. That's the create campaign part of Salestac. See you in the next video.